Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day, Happy New Year's, and happy all that good stuff. I'm here with another unboxing. As you can see, I have on my Ivy Park. Do y'all actually wear your Ivy Park stuff? Like, for real? Do you put it on? Do you wear it? Or are you just a collector? I am trying my hardest to make sure that the stuff that I buy, especially my pandemic items, the things that I've bought, they have to be worn. I mean, we have to give life to these clothing. If they were designed for a reason, to wear, to have, to be bedazzled in, to be sporty in, to be cool and chic in, and whatever, you might as well give some life to that. Put your clothes on. Oh, it's still a pandemic for some of us, and some of us are a little bit stressed out. Put your clothes on. Put something on in the house. Put something on and make yourself feel good. So, I have this on. I was going to put on my all pink, but something about the top and the snaps are just starting to feel a little bit too tight right now. I just don't feel like fidgeting and stuff like that during the camera. But the most eye-catching piece for me was the Ultra Boost OG shoes. I have never bought a pair of any of the shoes that Beyonce's released. Like, I have never, ever bought a pair of sneakers. Not a pair of slides, not a pair of sneakers, nothing. I've toyed with the idea of it. I've thought about it, but ultimately I'm always like, I'm passing. I'd rather have clothes. Because, you know, when I want to buy some shoes, I will buy some shoes, like, straight up. But usually it's not going to be sneakers, and if they are sneakers, I don't think I have any Adidas. In my life, I've probably owned, maybe I've owned like 2 to 3 Adidas in my whole life, not including childhood, but like teen and up, I think. So, I can say that I gravitate towards it for sneakers the most. Maybe when I buy my kids cleats and shoes and stuff, but for myself, I have not really gravitated towards Adidas shoes. But the Ultra OG Boost, they are so, like, usually a very popping color. I had to get those. So I said, this time, you're going to slow down on the clothes, because I've already bought some stuff for myself that I really wanted for the year. They were not Ivy hard. So I said, slow down on the clothes, just get some shoes. Shoes and socks. Every line I have to get her socks. I think I've missed 1 pair of socks out of all the collections. 1. I like socks. I'm a huge sock collector. I don't want to say sock collector because I wear my socks. You know what I mean? Like, I love socks. I love a nice fresh pair of brightly colored or designed or cool style socks. It's just me. It's just a comfort thing, and I like my comfort to be artistic. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just get to the box, because I know everybody's like, let me just get to the shoe, girl. Shut your mouth up. That's fine. I got the shoes right away. I feel like a lot of times, unlike that first couple of drops, these ones, they're starting to get the hang of it, and they're starting to put out more items. Number one, also, people are probably getting a little tired of buying stuff, so maybe they're not like, Beyonce! Going crazy. I'm a Beehive fan, so I'm going to be like, Beyonce! I'm going to be on there. Even if I decide not to buy, I'm still going to be there on there at $10.59 or $11.59, like, hey, what if I change my mind? But, I'm going to tell you the funny thing. I bought these while I was at my friend's house with a mask on, helping her with her floral arrangements for something. She has a big project, and I was like, literally in between, I'm pedaling flowers. They're called reflexing flowers. You pull the roses back so you get that big voluminous thing, and I was like, it's almost time, but I'm not about to let people know how much of a stan I am, so I'm just like, foam, flower, okay, load my cart, confirm. All right. Swipe through, or it went through. Alright, back to plucking flowers. That's just how it is. Sometimes you just gotta get what you gotta get it done, and you're done. Alright, so without further ado, let me go ahead and get to these shoes. And I feel like the shipping was good. These did arrive actually on Valentine's Day. I think that's pretty good, because I feel like they probably were about 5 days. This is just my opinion. They should have, the marketing date for starting off was great, but I feel like maybe it was supply chain issue. Maybe they were waiting for stuff to get here, but they kind of, that stuff should have been here by like the 10th, the 11th, the 12th, because what if somebody wanted to wear it? The box is pink! Ah! I've never bought a pair of her shoes, so I'm so hyped. Thank you for putting this little thing around it to make sure that it comes out neatly. I appreciate that. One day I'm going to get Beyonce to send me a box. I'm going to say get. I'm going to manifest it, you know. One day. Oh, man. This is a beautiful box. Like, oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Yeah, got your little 3 stripes. It's bright. You see it? And I got a women's 8.5, 7.5, and men's according to their unisex sizing. This is what the box looks like. So let's go ahead and get to the shoe. Okay, it comes out hollow. All right. And I was not expecting this fabric. It's like a neutral, just regular, like lightly bleached muslin. You know, muslin bag. Yeah, I was not expecting that. It kind of takes away from the excitement, honestly. But, you know, it says Ivy Park on there. It's so bright. Like peach color, you can barely see it. Maybe that's their way of being eco-friendly. Ooh! Oh my god, they're pink, pink, pink. And these are going to go perfect with my Christopher John Rogers and my red Valentino sweater. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god, y'all. Woo! Man, do you see this? Oh man, I love this right here. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Put it on my keychain because I don't want that dragging on the floor. I thought we got 2 of them. Anyway, this is the shoe. I'm bringing it up real close so you can see. These are the super bright. They're incredibly comfortable. They're shoes with a high, what does it say? High vis reflective logo. So, I guess visibility. So, the logo, I don't know. Somewhere in here it's supposed to be reflective. That's all I'm telling you. That's what I know. So, it says there's a bold burst of pink on these matching Adidas Ivy shoes. It matches the energy that you're throwing down. The vibrant color makes a bold statement. Taken further with a highly reflective logo. Oh, it's on the tongue. So, the logo on the tongue is going to be very, very reflective. So, when you're walking out and about and you're at nighttime, it will be visible, keeping you from getting hit by cars and crazy pedestrians. The Plush Boost cushioning offers undeniable comfort. I can feel that these are going to be comfortable. Like, I can really feel it. I'm so excited. I'm loving hot pink right now. As much as I love green, hot pink is like my thing right now. The flexible knit construction adapts to the ever-changing shape of your foot. So, bam. Oh my god, I do not regret these. I do not. I might let my daughter wear these to school just to stun on them little kids. You know what I'm saying? But I might not. Oh, I can't wait. I'm coming back with an all pink outfit just so y'all can see at the end. I'm coming out with pink, pink, pink. There's reflective stitching in the laces. I could be wrong, but it looks like they're going to be reflective, if you can see that. I like it. So I have the option to change my laces from this thick little ripcord kind of thing, which I can't see how to get out because the ripcord is literally encased in plastic. It's like dipped in plastics. So, I don't even know how to get that off. I'm not even going to waste my time trying right now. But, the true testament of the shoe is we have to know if they fit. Right? Aside from that, let's just put that down for a minute because I'm not done. Because I lollygagged around on the day of the site, I was doing flowers and all stuff. And the other time, I missed the socks. I said, oh, I'll come back home. I'll be able to get the socks. They made so many, blah, 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 blah. All the people who was like, I'm going to just buy something this cheap, they came and bought them. So I had to buy my stuff from Sneakers and Stuff, which is S&S. And S&S, I think, is in Germany or it's in France. It's somewhere, but it's shit like US Express International. It's from Sweden. I'm sorry. So Sneakers and Stuff is from Sweden. Got that here. That came the same day as the Ivy Park stuff. I'm sorry for all the noise. But this is, I'm not returning anything because it's Beyonce. Like, why am I returning? I'm not returning nothing. Nathan, nothing. And so the socks. The socks are always my favorite. I do wish, because I wish she would have made more pink items. I know there was that pink velour off the shoulder dress. I'm definitely probably not going to wear that, and then because it's like so tight, I'm definitely not going to wear that because of course I'm going to have to like modify it. No. I wish there were pink leggings, or at least like leggings, like red leggings with pink stripes, or like a half pink, half red kind of situation. because the burgundy with the pink, you know, it's cute, but it wasn't what I was looking for. And then it was not like the same, like how that green they had with the Ivy haul. That fabric texture was different. I actually bought that green bodysuit and the pants, and I really love it. It's so comfortable. But the burgundy with the pink stripe was not the same. So let's give this a look. Oh, it's burgundy with orange. Okay. What was orange in the line? I didn't see anything orange, but I think it was on the catsuit. The catsuit. I want the catsuit so bad. I kept watching reviews on YouTube about the catsuit, and of course I know they usually run small, but I'm like, this one's all mesh. I don't think it's gonna be that small. A girl who was like super itty bitty, and I'm small, but I'm more small up top. She was small everywhere, and she got an extra small. She couldn't even zip it up, and she was like itty bitty. And I'm like, okay, if you can't even fit extra small, which means you probably barely can fit a small, which means I was gonna get the small because I bought a small last time and it was a good fit. I probably have to get a medium for hip size, but it's probably gonna be weird looking up top. I think I might pass on it, honestly. This is my first time like passing up on something I really want with the Ivy Park. I'm not saying I don't pass up on stuff, I do. Here are the socks. I love socks so much. I do. I also wish that the sneakers, yeah, I don't know if I'm ever gonna wear these because, oh, that's the top of the sock. Great, because I'm like, I don't like for white socks to get dirty. Of course, you just keep your floors clean, but I don't want the bottom of the socks to look funny looking. These are so cute. Oh my God. Anyway, these are probably my favorite socks because there's a little design on the top. There's pink. The pink is not as bright, by the way, if you were looking for it to be like a complete match. It's not a double match. And so, that is my little pipe. I'm gonna go ahead and put the sneaker on, put it on without socks so I can just really see how it feels. Oh, bam, done. Do you see that? It feels good too. It feels spacious, but not too tight. Excuse me. I have not had an Adidas shoe in years. So here's my Adidas shoe. It's on my foot. It feels comfortable. I know I always end up standing in my chair. I don't really care. It's my chair. No, you can't use it. Yeah, this is the shoe, you guys. Sashay Shantae. Boom, bam, done. Boom. Yeah, I like these. They have enough space in them where I could, oh, look at that. Already, as soon as I put my foot out, that inside sole pops up all the way. It's like, not good and good. I don't like that. That is a little, let's see. No. So, that does happen. But as soon as I pull my foot up, yeah, it's like it's not. Y'all. Uh-oh. I don't even know if there's space to put glue on it based on what I'm looking at. You know, like look in there, it's grooved. This is grooved. This is a little, you know, okay. Maybe I don't know Adidas shoes. Maybe this happens. Maybe that kind of bothered me just now, but I'm not taking the shoe back. I'm not going through the hassle of it. If I have to put some dots of super glue on them. And you shouldn't have to do that. And of course, people who hate Beyonce will be like, Beyonce, it's not her fault. She doesn't work in a factory. She doesn't make the clothing with her hands. She doesn't have anything to do with that. She don't even have anything to do with overseeing the quality of what's in the warehouse after she's done her first quality run. Did you know that? Let's make sure we're not being weird. It's not like me going to the person who's the lead of Gap and being like, this is your fault. My jacket fell apart. How about the people that might have designed it incorrectly? Maybe you go there, but we don't need to blame people. If there's an issue, it's just a quality control thing. Something didn't pass something. That's livable. I can deal with that. And I'm pulling the other one up just a tiny bit. It does feel like it was more sealed onto it. So I think this one probably just did not have sufficient adhesive to it. But Let's look at the bottom of the shoe. Okay, it says torso system. Very nice. Like, it's just as bright as you can see. Oh my god. This is a nice sneaker. This makes me want to get, I don't need to buy anything else though. This makes me want to get the green pair. If I were to buy any one of her other shoes, I would get a green pair. I wouldn't get the little chunky 3 stripes, the platforms and stuff, or the boots. I would get something like this that I know I'm going to wear for sure. And I'm daring with my fashion. I could be very daring with my style and wear all these cool, you know, different looks that are very different from what people wear in Atlanta, and I not care. But something about athletically based things, I kind of don't want to veer too. Let me not say that because I have PRMall shoes, but I haven't worn them yet, so I don't know. Anyway, that is my Ivy Park sneaker review. I'm gonna come back with the whole outfit on that actually is more accommodating to this. So just look at it real quick. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button while you're here. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you got for the Ivy Park line. Hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know what you got in the comment box below. Let me know what you'd like to see me unbox. I'm always talking about fashion and fashion history and things, and it's so good to have you guys here. I'm happy to be back.